I'm so tired. We're in Best Western. You should push me, never mind. Look at this. This is our spot. That's rich. We are rich. In hilariousness, you think we're really gonna have an Easter egg hunt?
I don't know. What are you doing?
Nothing.
You like taking a video right now? Okay.
Do that again.
Swag.
Swag.